Hello guys, today we're playing Alien Simulator and let's press play, okay? Ooh, look at us. It's gonna... Alright. Look for these things. Ooh. Oh, I don't have enough money. Let's go ahead and buy this. Fair enough. Alright. Buying it. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and go in here. Alright. Let's go down. Survival games. Let's try this one. Let's try it. Guys, just look at this, guys. Literally look. So awesome. Alright. Alright. I accept that. What the hell? Oh my. Alright. What the? What the fuck? Like, no. What the? Look, guys. Time for him payback. Not first payback. Yeah. What is it? Oh, I hear that noise. It's kind of creepy. Go ahead and grab all this money. Go real fast. Alright. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh god, look at that. It's going pretty fast too. We're gonna drop her. Okay, let's get the walls, okay? Walls. More walls. Make sure you, right, let's just go grab our monies, alright? Go pretty fast. It's not how I wanted it to be, but who cares? Yeah. Like, only you just have to do is like drop money. I think, guys, I'm not money. Like this. What do y'all think you're doing? Just to get the money. We're gonna spread this next shopper. Alright, it's going pretty fast now. Oh no! Alright, we have enough more money. Go ahead and get this money. Is there any next floor? Yep, second floor. It's gonna cost a lot, actually. Alright, get that money up. Let's go ahead and get some people. My favorite YouTuber is, that is the North Cave. Buy road. I don't need a road. Why would you need a road? I don't even want a freaking road. Alright. Got this money. Let's go. I guess by the road, I guess now. Oh my god. Are they gonna go fight? I mean, like, yeah. Alright. We can buy that, I mean. What is it? Pathways. Alright, let's get the thing in here first. Let's go to the second floor. Alright, let's go. We can actually buy one of the Jeeps. Let's go here. Let's see what we're aiming for. Extra VIP. Alright, guys, we got one of the presents right there. Let's go ahead and grab it. What does it do? By loading duck. The Jeep would cost a little bit of money. Alright. Let's get the money up. Alright, we gotta get higher money. Well, that's going pretty fast. Alright, let's get the money. Alright, let's go get. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Let's go buy a Jeep now. Oh. Can we go inside it? Oh, that's fast. Whoa. Alright. You know what? Let's just get out of here. Alright. You would shoot crazy. I like the. Woo! Oh, it's right over. Alright. Let's respawn this thing. There we go. Let's go ahead and get this money. This is 10,000. Let's go see what's up here. Oh, see. Something up here? Nope. Let's go back at these. Where? Let's go ahead and. Alright. Let's just go. Alright. Let's go get my cash. Alright, let's go. I wonder what's in here. Does it do anything? Let's go, bro. So, okay, we got all these objects. Now we only got one. Let's go from this. Alright. Put a thumbs up if you think, if you can see any objects. Alright. See any? I don't see none. Going by the paths. Military truck. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our money out. Get that faster. Ooh, that money's going pretty fast. Alright, let's go. We need 1,000. We need 1,000. Alright. Oh. Alright. Never mind. Alright, let's go get our money. Alright. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Let's go ahead and get the next one. That money's going pretty fast actually now. Alright. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty cool actually, not lying. Well, what is this place? By Katana, by rocket launcher. Alright, let's go get those stuff soon. Pretty soon. I think I was get that. Ooh, that's a lot of money. I guess we could like buy everything. I think we could buy everything. Ooh, that person though, he's like so good. Oh my god. Let's get that. Ooh, what is that?